This critter right here is known as Elsie's, better known as the moose in North America or the elk in Eurasia. It is a massive member of the deer family that is native to Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, the USA, and Canada. Here they inhabit temperate wetlands in both boreal and deciduous forests, where they feed primarily upon forbs, flowers, aquatic plants, and the leaves, needles, fruits, bark, and shoots of trees and woody bushes. Moose are themselves commonly preyed upon by gray wolves, Siberian tigers, orcas, and brown bears, and much more rarely by wolverines, cougars, and Greenland sharks. Staying on average 4.5 to 7 feet, or 1.37 to 2.13 meters tall to shoulder, and 7 to 10 feet, or 2.13 to 3.05 meters in total length, moose are far and away the largest extant deer species. Male moose are heavier than females, averaging at around 850 to 1,550 pounds, or 385 to 703 kilograms in weight, compared to females at 450 to 1,100 pounds, or 204 to 500 kilograms. They can be easily identified by their thick torso, long, thin legs, thick brown fur, noticeable shoulder hump, neck dewlap, and characteristic nasal proboscis. Additionally, adult male moose have large palmate antlers spanning 4 to 6 feet, or 1.22 to 1.83 meters in width, that may or may not be covered in velvet depending on the time of year. They are diurnal and typically solitary animals, with the strongest bonds being between mother and calf. Although they have been known to congregate in small groups, particularly around rich feeding grounds and mineral deposits, and during the breeding season. Rutting and mating occurs in September and October, during which time males will stake out a territory and compete for mates. Female moose have an 8-month gestation period, usually bearing one calf or twins if food is plentiful, in May or June. The young will stay with their mother until just before the next young are born, reaching sexual maturity around 16 months of age. Under ideal conditions, a moose may live up to 25 years.